How to submit subsidy request details in National Portal of Tamil Nadu. Open browser and type as National Portal of India and select Consumer Login. Now provide the registered consumer account number and mobile number. Click Login. Provide the received OTP and click Login. Now select Submit Subsidy Request. Provide the above details and upload Cancelled check. Provide user feedback and click Submit. Now we have completed subsidy request. After subsidy request completion, subsidy dispersal will be enabled. Within 30 to 90 days, the subsidy amount will be received.